This simple guide will show you how to edit the subject line in Brevo. If you're using Brevo for your marketing campaigns, you know how crucial subject lines can be in capturing the attention of your audience. A well-crafted subject line can significantly increase your email open rates, ensuring your message reaches as many people as possible. Whether you're looking to make a last-minute tweak or update an existing campaign, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to brevo.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your Brevo activities. From here, you can oversee all of your marketing efforts and make necessary adjustments. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Marketing tab. It's usually located on the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this tab will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your marketing activities. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Campaigns. This is where you manage all your email marketing campaigns, whether they are in draft form, scheduled, or already sent. Once you've clicked on Campaigns, you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've created. Take your time to scroll through this list if you have many campaigns, and find the one where you need to edit the subject line. Once you've located the right campaign, you'll notice an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, next to the campaign name. Click on this icon to enter the editing mode for your selected campaign. Now, you should be inside the campaign editor. Here, you can make various changes, but we're focusing on the subject line today. Look for the section labeled Subject. It might be near the top of the page since it's one of the essential elements of your email. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Subject button. This will allow you to modify the existing text. When editing your subject line, keep in mind the best practices for writing compelling email subjects. Aim for something concise yet impactful, ideally under 70 characters, to ensure it displays correctly across all devices. You might want to use action words, include personalization, or even add a bit of intrigue to encourage your recipients to open the email. Take your time crafting a subject line that truly reflects the content and objective of your email. After you've made your edits and are satisfied with your new subject line, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom or top corner of the editing screen. Click on it to ensure your new subject line is saved and ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the subject line for your Brevo campaign. This quick and simple process can make a significant difference in the performance of your emails. Remember, a great subject line is your first opportunity to make an impression on your audience, so make sure it's one that counts. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.